Hi, this is Matt from coolmarketingsoftware.com and classifiedsubmissions.com, and today I'm going to show you how to download the latest Chrome driver for Osclass Submitter. Sometimes when Chrome updates, which is actually all the time, you're going to need a new Chrome driver. So otherwise, Chrome will not open up. The software will not open up Chrome because Osclass Submitter uses Chrome to run. So this is very easy to fix. So if somehow you find your Osclass Submitter is not opening up Chrome, most likely you need the updated Chrome driver, which is really easy. Go to Google, type download latest Chrome driver. Right? So we come here and latest stable release. Okay, you don't want to go to the beta one, you want the latest stable one. So you go to if you're using Windows, you're going to need Windows for our software, so most likely, but you are using Windows. So you're going to download this. Show in folder. And here we go. We're just going to extract all. And here's the Chrome driver, the latest Chrome driver. So now we're going to go to the Osclass folder. There's Osclass Submitter, C, Osclass Submitter. We're just going to right click, paste. You can see this last one was done on October 13th. Replace the file and destination. And that's it. Now I'm going to go here. Now I have the new one. I'm going to come up here and run the software. And I can just do a little test to see if Chrome opens up. Come here. Let's see. Now Chrome is opening up, so it is working. So that fixed it. Okay? So if you find that your Osclass Submitter is not opening up Chrome 99.99% of the time, that is the issue. And that is the fix. And if you need help with this, just let us know. All right, this was just a test. We didn't fill anything out. And that little black screen is normal, by the way. That's what happens when you open up Chrome. So that's how you fix, most of the time, Chrome not opening up.